Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. I'm now recording my show for Saturday, November 12th. Again, if you are one of my followers, you get my raw notes in the morning. I have now, uh, doing this video because a lot of people kind of like the video version. So Saturday morning, before the one rental at a time event, which shout out the 200 or so people that made it out. You made that meeting awesome. Thank you very much. The first thing I was asking myself Saturday morning is, have peak rates set in? Then I thought about the Fed because, again, they're going higher. I think they're going to go slower, and I think they're going to stay there longer. So December 50, I feel pretty good about. But after that, I don't know. Could they go 50, 25 pause? Yes, absolutely could. I believe it's more likely that they go 50, 25, 25, 25, pause. And why do I do that? Because that gets you to 5%. I believe when all said and done, the terminal rate will be 5. A week ago, people said 6. The All In podcast says 5.5. So, when in doubt, believe them, not me. But I'm not going to change my opinion just because someone else says it. That's not how I roll. But I do think terminal rate's 5. I've thought that for quite a while. And that's how I think we get there. 50, 25, 25, 25. Then again, about FTX, again, I think about all these people who had content creators pushing this total fraud. Again, 50 grand a month, man. Tom Nash was paid 50 grand a month. And again, if Tom Nash was paid that, what about all the other bigger YouTube channels? Does not anybody not think that's a red flag? I mean, ask yourself. Tom Nash is a really smart guy. How many of my subscribers do I have to get on FTX for FTX to make money if they're paying me 50 grand a month? Isn't that a red flag? Isn't a company supposed to make money? I don't know. It just seemed really weird to me. Next week, kind of the week ahead, again, this is Saturday morning. I think about retail sales. Retail sales, I think, is on Wednesday. That's a big deal. Again, we're going to be in an environment where good news is bad news and bad news is good news. So if retail sales come out, they're strong, and the consumer is still spending like drunken sailors, you could see a reversion in the market really quick. If it's bad, it's going to be validation. So again, good is bad, bad is good. We're in a weird, weird world. Tuesday, we get a lot of retail stuff this week. Tuesday, we get announcements from Walmart and Home Depot. If is Walmart winning? Home Depot is, the home not winning. Wednesday, Lowe's, TJX, Target, Nvidia. Nvidia is going to be interesting, right? Is it kind of just a, more tiers? Also, TJX, they kind of seem right size for this market, discount clothing, so it'll be interesting. Thursday, we get Kohl's, Gap, Palo Alto Network. Palo Alto Network's interesting to me. They're kind of the best of the best, security, tech, all of that. We heard from Atlassian, I think a couple weeks ago, where they were missing numbers, sales cycles longer. We're going to find out. What about security? Security, security, security. It's a big deal. Talk about the hottest of hot sector. Talk about the best of the best. If companies are cutting back even on security and delaying sales cycle, watch out in tech. That will be ugly. Bad, bad, bad. And then Friday, we get Foot Locker. And then lastly, on Saturday, I was thinking about the consumer, right? What's going on with consumer sentiment? It is weakening. And then, of course, Saturday for me was the first ever one rental at a time mastermind. I was up very early. I was very excited to get started. So a lot of my other planning went into that. So those are my two summaries for the week. Again, a little bit less reading Saturday morning. Hopefully, you can cut me some slack. I did host an event with nearly 200 people shortly after putting that out. And I was just a little bit excited and a little bit nervous. So I didn't do as much financial reading that morning. So hopefully, cut me some slack. We will be back at it. Have a wonderful day. Take care. And again, we do the daily financial news. What is it? Sunday through Thursday at 7:30 live. And then I will be recording my Friday and Saturday thoughts on Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.